How you doing? Welcome to Discovering Space. We got a new ship. So I thought I would share it with you because I can. And I thought maybe you would like to see my ship. And we got some colleagues aboard. Let's go on in. How you doing? Cool. Hello, sir. So here we are. This is me. Ooh. And that's Tanya. Hey, how you doing? So let's get locked in. Enough laughing about. You seen my ship? Let's whoop. Whoop, down, down, down. Put my face in. Okay. Turn free roaming mode off. And off we go.
You will have full control of your ship once you are clear of the launch bay.
So we're all good? You ready for a trip? Hi.
Enjoy your journey. You are now leaving the star
Always
carrier.
ready. So here we are in space, and there is the Earth. God love its little socks. So my plan today is, you all right back there? Cool? Cool, cool. Yes, what plan, I hear you say. Let's turn on our internal light. There we go. And we're going to make our way to Mars. We shall turn on the map labels so we know where Mars is. And we know what direction to go in. It's through the Earth. Oh, yeah. Bo, 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 bo. Beautiful. I love it. Loving it. We're not going to visit Earth because we know all about it. We're going to go visit Mars. Whoa, there's the moon. And we'll be there shortly. Just fasten your seatbelts. Beautiful. So yes, we call this Mars. This little iron ball. We can also zoom in. Yes, we can. So we can see Mars on the screen. Ooh. And Mars. Ooh.
Mars. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere. The atmosphere is composed primarily of carbon dioxide. The rotational period and seasonal cycles of Mars are similar to those of Earth.
Wow.
Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are small and irregularly shaped. These may be captured asteroids. The red color of Mars is due to the rock and dust covering its surface, being rich in iron. Mars has the largest dust storms in the solar system. They can last for months and cover the entire planet. The seasons are extreme because of its elliptical, oval-shaped, orbital path around the Sun is more elongated than most other planets in the solar system.
Wow. So we gotta get on. So let's blast off Olympus Mons. Why not? Shush. Oh, that looks so well.
Mars is composed of minerals containing silicon
It's
and oxygen,
beautiful.
metals, and other elements that typically make up rock.
Okay, we must get on.
Liquid water cannot exist on the surface of Mars due to low atmospheric pressure, except at the lowest elevations for short periods.
We're gonna head on in. Gonna head on into
Mars,
Venus.
the Sun appears about half
Let's
the
see
size
where
as it does on Earth.
67p. There's no way we can make that. We'll head off to Venus. Won't we? On our journey to the Sun. Yeah, I got a third sensor from my Oculus, so hopefully it's got nothing to do with space, like. How's everybody doing? So we're on our way to Venus, and there is lots of things, lots and lots of things to see. Oh, I'm looking at my... I nearly missed it. Like a fool. Venus, Venus, Venus. Come here. Wow. That's the moon. Venus.
Moon. The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite and was formed 4.6 billion years ago.
Wow, the detail on
it
this.
has been looked at in wonder since the first human eyes gazed at it in the night sky. The dark side of the moon is a myth. In reality, both sides of the moon see the same amount of sunlight. However, only one face of the moon is ever seen from Earth.
Okay.
This is because the moon
different gates we can go
rotates around
to.
on its own axis in exactly
Hubble.
the same time it takes to
Axis in
orbit the
space.
Earth, meaning the same side
Absolutely
is always facing
amazing
the Earth.
amount of stuff to look at. So yes, we're on our way to Venus. Before I got rudely interrupted by the moon. Venus isn't very far away. Wow. Love this. Here it is. Here she is.
Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and is the second brightest object in the night sky after the Moon. Venus is nearly as big as the Earth with a diameter of 12,104 kilometers.
Let's have a look.
Venus is thought to be made up of a central iron core, rocky mantle and silicate crust. The average surface temperature is 462 degrees centigrade, and because Venus does not tilt on its axis, there is no seasonal variation.
Holy moly.
The dense atmosphere of around 96% carbon dioxide traps heat and causes a greenhouse effect. A detailed study of Venus is currently underway. In 2006, the Venus Express space shuttle was sent into orbit around Venus by the European Space Agency, and is sending back information about the planet.
Unbelievable. how well this looks. So here we are, we're parked on Venus, as you do. Let's see if we can't. Can we get out? Yeah, we can. Oh. There it is, there's my ship, my crewmates. I see you in, where, what was that playthrough I did, that crazy PlayStation 1. Anyway, let's get out of here. We shall head to Mercury. Oh, look at that over there. Oh. Okay. Let's go to Mercury. Just check. Are we still recording? Hopefully. Are you still there, everybody? Hopefully. Woo. Really seems so too much. Loving it. What do you think? I've jumped the gun a wee bit before when I said this was available in Oculus Home,
is the star at the center of our solar system and is 4.6 billion years old.
But it'll be there. This is too good for
Mercury.
Everybody not trying.
Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and due to its proximity it is not easily seen except during twilight. A day on the surface of Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. Mercury has wrinkles. As the iron core of the planet cooled and contracted, the surface of the planet became wrinkled.
Wow. Oh. That's, I don't need to mark the sun, I wouldn't think.
Sun. The Sun contains 99.86% of the mass in the solar system. The Sun is 3,000 times more massive than the Earth. This is approximately the ratio between a grain of rice and a gold bar. Light from the surface of the Sun takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. The average radius of the Sun is nearly 700,000 kilometers, 100 times that of the Earth. The Sun is an almost perfect sphere with a difference of just 10 kilometers in diameter between the poles and the equator. Considering the vast expanse of the Sun, this means it is the closest thing to a perfect sphere that has been observed in nature. The Sun is mostly composed of hydrogen and helium.
Wow. Absolutely fantastic.
The Sun is middle-aged. At around 4.5 billion years old, the Sun has already burned off about half of its store of hydrogen. It has enough left to continue to burn hydrogen for approximately another 5 billion years. The Sun is currently a type of star known as a yellow dwarf.
Wow.
When all the hydrogen has been burned, the Sun will continue for about 130 million more years, burning helium, during which time it will expand to the point that it will engulf Mercury and Venus and the Earth. At this stage it will have become a red giant.
Wow. That's the sun, everybody. That's what we call Ra. Amazing. We've no idea what it is, really. We've no idea what anything is. We just label them and go, right. There's the sun. Okay, so we're gonna go and have a little look at Comet 67P because I watched this like Comet I saw. So this is yeah, we landed on this
67P.
Go back.
67P is a comet.
It is.
A comet is a very small solar system body made mostly of ices mixed with smaller amounts of dust and rock. Most comets are no larger than a few kilometers across. The main body of the comet is called the nucleus, and it can contain water, methane, nitrogen and other ices.
Oh wow. Hey baby. Hey baby. Wow. Is my headlight on? Wow, I'm in awe.
When a comet is heated by the sun, its ices begin to sublimate, similar to the way dry ice fizzes when you leave it in sunlight.
Wow. Wow. Oh, gonna crash on. Oh, we're gonna crash on Comet 67P. That would be new. Sorry, that's a bit cheeky of me. A little bit cheeky. So there you have it, everybody. That got this far.
The mixture of ice crystals and dust blows away from the comet nucleus in the solar wind, creating a pair of tails. The dust tail is what we normally see when we view comets from Earth.
Wow.
A plasma tail also forms when molecules of gas are excited by interaction with the solar wind.
Wow. Okay, so there you have it. We're gonna gonna chill on Comet 67P.
Type, but can be imaged.
No, we'll go back to Earth. How far away is Earth? We shall see. May as well go home. We're going home? Well done, everybody. That was a great expedition. A rather long expedition. Aren't they all? You just don't walk up Mount Everest. You have to work at it. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching this video. You know, I do really appreciate you you know, watching, because what's the point in me doing it then? You know, it's just like I've inadvertently done a history of virtual reality somehow, and it's all available here, right here. On Earth. Woo! There you go. Thank you very much. Paused. Thanks very much for watching. As I said, pick up Discovering Space if you can. It'll be available soon, very soon, because as you can see, the work is just amazing, and you can jump in, lose yourself, Bye.